What if machines could write stories, design buildings, compose music, or even dream like humans? Welcome to the era of generative artificial intelligence, or simply, Gen AI. This technology isn't just changing how we use computers. It's redefining what creativity means in the digital age. In this video, we'll explore what generative AI is, how it works, its real-world applications, and what its future could mean for humanity. So, what exactly is generative AI? It's a type of artificial intelligence designed to create new content, not just analyze existing data. Unlike traditional AI systems that classify or predict, generative AI systems can write poems, generate images, produce videos, and even invent brand new product designs. Think of it as a digital artist trained on the collective knowledge of the internet. Capable of producing original work in seconds, it's the brainpower behind tools like Chat-Abyssinica, Journey, and Runway ML. These systems don't just memorize information, they generate new creations based on the patterns they've learned. To understand how generative AI works, let's look under the hood. At its core lies a neural network, a complex system inspired by the human brain. These networks are trained on enormous datasets, text, images, music, or code, allowing them to learn how things relate to one another. One of the most important breakthroughs came with the transformer architecture, first introduced by Google in 2017. Transformers can process massive amounts of data in parallel, which allows the AI to understand context, language, and relationships far better than ever before. That's the magic that powers modern AI models like GPT, BERT, and PaLM. For image generation, models like diffusion models start with random noise and gradually sculpt it into a clear, detailed image, similar to how a sculptor shapes a block of marble into art. In short, generative AI learns the patterns of human creativity and then uses those patterns to generate something entirely new. The power of generative AI extends far beyond fun experiments. It's already transforming industries worldwide. In content creation, writers and marketers now use tools like Chat and Jasper to draft blogs, social media captions, and even full books. In art and design, artists are using Midjourney and Stable Diffusion to visualize concepts instantly, while architects can generate entire building designs with AI assistance. The film and video production industry is also being revolutionized, with AI tools like Runway and Pika Labs generating realistic scenes, potentially removing the need for large production crews and expensive equipment. In the world of programming, tools like GitHub Copilot and Replit Ghostwriter are assisting developers by writing code in real time, speeding up the development process significantly. Even in healthcare, researchers are using AI to discover new drugs, predict protein structures, and simulate molecular behavior, accelerating scientific breakthroughs. Students can learn faster with personalized AI tutors, and scientists can analyze decades of data in minutes. In essence, generative AI is not just about creativity, it's about amplifying human potential across every field imaginable. Of course, every revolution comes with both light and shadow. The advantages are clear. First, there's the creativity boost. Anyone can now become a creator, regardless of their technical skills. Second, the efficiency is remarkable, saving countless hours by automating content generation and other repetitive tasks. It also improves accessibility by leveling the playing field, so you no longer need to be an expert to produce high-quality work. Finally, it enables incredible personalization, creating content and experiences tailored specifically to each user. However, we must also consider the challenges. The rise of deepfakes and AI-generated false news poses a serious threat of misinformation. AI also reflects the biases present in the data it's trained on, which can perpetuate and even amplify societal flaws. There are also complex copyright issues. Who really owns AI-generated content? The creator of the AI, the user who wrote the prompt, or no one at all? And of course, there's the concern of job displacement. As some creative and technical roles could change forever, the question isn't whether AI will replace us, but rather, how we'll adapt and collaborate with it. So, what does the future hold? The next decade will likely be the age of AI copilots, digital assistants that think, write, and create right alongside us. Imagine an architect designing a sustainable city with an AI partner suggesting optimal layouts, or a scientist simulating new life forms before they even exist. Generative AI could merge with robotics, augmented reality, and the Internet of Things, creating immersive digital worlds that learn and evolve in real time. But with such great power comes great responsibility. It is crucial that governments, developers, and users work together to build strong ethical frameworks. We must ensure that AI serves humanity, not the other way around, by promoting fairness, transparency, and accountability. Generative AI isn't here to take over the world, it is here to help us imagine a new one. Real question is, what will you create with it? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.